Where are you going? There's a better way to get there. The Unagi scooter, a scooter with soul. Life's too short to let transportation hassles keep you from connecting with the people and places you love. That's why my partners and I fell in love with electric scooters. The thing is, scooter sharing services are a real drag. Unagi is superior because of advanced materials, state-of-the-art technology, precision engineering, and untouchable industrial design. Every single decision has been made with the rider in mind. From the multiple LEDs to keep you safe at night, to the invisible kickstand, to our patented one-click hinge. Thanks to the magnesium alloy handlebar and Toray carbon fiber tube, the Unagi is ultra lightweight. It's perfectly minimalist in its aesthetic, but built for maximum strength and durability. The deck machined from a single block of aluminum. No seams, traction tape, or gritty finishes. And thanks to its painstakingly flawless paint job, it's ultra smooth. Simply beautiful. Wheels that are not only puncture proof, but provide suspension thanks to air pockets ingeniously embedded throughout the tire circumference. The result is a perfect balance of comfort and responsiveness. Custom designed motors deliver effortless power. Choose from a single 250-watt motor for flatter urban areas, or our epic 450-watt dual motor model with additional torque for hillier terrain. We wanted to own the perfect scooter, a scooter that empowers us to dive into our local culture with total ease and killer style. We made Unagi because it's the scooter that we wanted. Now, you can have it too. Unagi, take the ride of your life.